Anker eufyCam S4 with solar panel on the way. Eufy, an Anker brand, is reportedly launching a new smart security camera, the eufyCam S4. This 2-in-1 model has an upper fixed position camera and a lower PTZ camera with a range of motion detection sensors. Other features include a detachable solar panel, an alarm system, and a facial recognition function for some users. The eufyCam S4 smart security camera has been leaked. Also known as Model T8172, this product from the Anker sub-brand appeared a few weeks after the launch of the brand's eufyCam E41 and SolarCam E42. In a report by Anker Insider, many of the eufyCam S4's features are seemingly revealed. It is a 2-in-1 triple lens model with an upper 4K bullet camera with a f1.6 aperture and a 130° field of view (FOV). Below this is a 2K pan tilt zoom (PTZ) camera, which can tilt up to 70°. There are thought to be a range of sensors, including 2 passive infrared (PIR) sensors and a radar sensor to detect motion, alongside a photosensitive sensor to detect light levels. Also included are 4 LED spotlights, possibly to capture color footage at night, and an integrated speaker and microphone enabling two-way voice communication. Eufy's S4 camera will use AI to flag humans, vehicles, and pets, and users with the S380 Homebase 3 will also get a facial recognition tool. To deter intruders, there should be a 105 dB siren and strobe lights. While leaked images show a detachable 5.5 solar panel and a rechargeable battery is mentioned, the model could also support a wired setup to ensure there is no break in recording. It is unclear when the eufyCam S4 security camera will launch. It is thought that the smart home product will retail for $299 in Europe. Plus, customers will be able to buy bundles with the Eufy S380 Homebase 3. For example, a kit with 2 cameras and the base could cost $699. While the device is expected to launch in the US, the pricing for this market hasn't been confirmed.